Ahwefo mesra mo yenkwa Asante mantem na de ayatie wo ho ne se panipa woda kolebu mesra onye kolebu konfo anoche aya sabia kase wa Asante mantem no wone ensenchofo etwetwe komode poten na waka ho asem ye di kan atedada se yare no se nu ananka ye 9 but ene akwakoye dunsia na se 16 se no ho asem na waka na se de na okwa no yenko Asante mantem na yenkotie bi
inu mra na mo test no yes na ye tietio nipa no fo ahodi so ya catcher health system ni say obi be fro sa no catcher ni say omo nipa no ko hospital odu hospital a doctor phone ni betimi atre say onipa no oyare ana say onyare ye bomodin say ye besa yare no na ye pese human right ni confidentiality will be the key here ye ntieti obi afo ahodi so enti no said ya me catcher mu no obi a ni ho a ye bebo so aka catcher say padin we ofi ha no ba ha no nya yare say ye jai sade no ye back travel number of cases that we've had yen ko boss say onipa ni fi ha na ni fie say not ha obi ani ho be sa eyesa pa ye di hu be show onipa nu o ma so yare kra o be hye ni dan mu ansa na ye be hu no de yare na ye den ama nipa bebre yen pese ye di hu be show bia mu as far as the health system is concerned, from now we are not going to give any information relating to any person, to anybody. Ye jai cases no esro na eko ye say esa akra ye bebre nti ye nye sa there to so your hospitals no so ya catch am say obi a oba hospital ho bia no ye be hwe ni temperature ye hwe na temperature ye 37.6 said the kind fever na ye be separate you from other patients no the nti ye be sa ni say ye womrewa ni kwakra bebre diabetes ni hypertension ti de bia omo ba hospital omo they are the most vulnerable so say bomb ho ban enti em pese baby omo wo no ye de omo be frafra enti no obi a wo chronic disease say diabetes ni hypertension oba hospital ho a ye be hwe ontem am wa ye den watimi akọ ti obi a obabia ne ye be check ni temperature ahwe obi a ora ward eso kwakosro bi ye pese ward no be overcrowded enti a hye say you can visit 2 visitors per one patient. Yem pese ebeko ward ho do na nipa bebre egu patient no ho. Yenim yare a mo de ba ward ho. Enti fi ho ene wo call ward ho a yem pese enipa bebre more than 2 ebeko patient ba ku bia ho. Eyen hihya ya hihye ato ho. Na ya mu nyina momwa yen se de mo call hospital ho a ye nyina ye betimi aka bom. Ye sa de yi ade abo ye nyina ho ban. Yankwa is our life and the economy and the life of every single Ghanaian that is at stake. Inti ye best remo, enye agro kra. Omo kasa efa die abano obi say ye nye we. Yes remo. Ye na if we don't come together as a team, there's no way that we can achieve success. Let us look at Europe. Yenhwe Europe. Obia na yenhwe said ye tie ne hu say we don't want to get into those crises. Ye betimi aboye ho ban. Nti ye da mase. Mo question bia mo famra. Yo.
Okay. So question first part only 2, okay, 3, 4, okay, so
okay, questions now. Yeah, no Fabina.
My questions and suggestions. The first one you mentioned, and Dr. Nivan has mentioned about the confidentiality and the rights of the patient. You mentioned that because yesterday on a number of platforms, we were reading that one of the new cases is massive. Is the trader and the Lebanese socialites that visit. And then when the results came out, come and see the commotion at visit. So I was wondering how that information can come out. Because definitely it will come from the health, whoever will spread that information. As much as you are trying to let us know the rights and confidentiality, those who are also handling the patients when they come in, they should also be kindly. And then secondly, yesterday we went on some markets reporting to know what the market women know about coronavirus. I was at Dr. Bobio area. I told you I'm with the community market. And surprisingly, most of the market women, they know of the Yari because they know what to do and what not to do. They don't know. There was an elderly woman about 60 years. Also, yes, she had a petition.
Oh, wow.
She had a petition. So if the petition is going on, the media will do what they have to do. But I know in most of these markets, they have information centers. So if you can give them some of your communication so that the information centers will be playing them for them to be more enlightened about it, it will help us. Thank you.
Okay,
you take him more. You take him more. You take him more.
Okay. My question goes to the doctor. Please, we heard of chloroquine as one of the vaccines for it. We don't actually know exactly how it works. It's the malaria thing, but then how does chloroquine help the patient feel better?
Doctor Nkasemu.
Scientific try so many.
It's garlic and then your man in social media. Nina and Yano Credit. Now, I identify who said sanitizer. It is me, a boy who buy you. He said garlic and then the Yano cry.
Enti abusuade wo hwe ye eye nhyiamu ekoso wa santemantam na konfanoche ayasabia mpanifo ene ne nsentrofo ahia ne nyina ye coronavirus yare no ekwan obefa so omafo bebo won ho ban na waya hwe yiye no fa nkosai ebinom ti de bepie fim beba bia no anwumre ye nkase mu no ye hye obose ye bema wate bi na ye fa no si